In today's fast-paced digital world, staying ahead means embracing innovation and excellence. At Lateetud, we offer a unique value proposition for digital transformation and operational excellence.
By leveraging AI, data, and tailored industry solutions,
We enhance customer engagement, enable team collaboration and productivity, and improve operational insights. Our commitment to excellence has garnered us numerous accolades across various categories.
When we are working with our customers, our vision is to increase organization intelligence. And can Lateetud come and guide us through this journey? And that journey includes taking a process from level 1 to level 3. And the way we define level 1, level 2, level 3 is structured to unstructured to machine learning and artificial intelligence. That's a little bit of background about how we got started and where Lateetud is and where we will go from here on.
One, because we are focused on process automation and we live and breathe that. The second part of it is that we are small and agile, understanding what really is the cultural fit that a customer is looking for, particularly when they are embarking on something new.
Their firm really listening and understanding my business and what I needed and developing a program around that sold me and we've been going at it ever since.
Right from the beginning, we felt a sense of partnership and collaboration, and that was really important.
With Lateetud, we've had great experience with them. We certainly met all of our timelines, and they were a pleasure to work with, certainly a culture fit for CarMax. And so I think they're making a name for themselves in the industry.
We were looking for a partner that could see our vision for us and help it come to light, right? So we needed a custom solution. There's nothing out there that's on the market that does what we needed. So we needed to find a good, reliable partner. We went to our Microsoft partners. They gave us some great insight and brought Lateetud to the table for us. And right out of the gate, we could tell within the first meeting that this was a game changer for us.
Join the many businesses that have transformed their operations with Lateetud. Lateetud, your partner in digital transformation and operational excellence.